Yep, it's Bumper. I'm back at you with a quick video. It is a Trilogy RV unit. As you can see, the damage is right there. It's got a lot of fiberglass repair all over it. And I'm about to get started on this. But before I get started, I got Bam Bam with me. And I'm going to show him the ropes today. First things first, let's take Bam Bam on a mini tour. Have I ever went in here? I don't know. All right, go ahead. Go. Oh. See what we got up here. A bedroom that slides out over there and bigger. So keep going. You see this sliding part right here that slides all the way out. Keep going. Refrigerator. You see that? Sink. You can't walk all the way through because this right here pops out. This part pops out and this part pops out. And then that's already popped out over there. See how it looks when it's popped out? See that whole little couch area slides all the way in like this over here. You see that? It's got a fireplace, TV. Look like a house, don't it? Mm-hmm. So let's go. Oh, forgot the bathroom. Look, this thing falling.